This is AUDJPY. AUDJPY is downtrend now. If you can see that weekly chart, MACD, that's below zero. But for the last few weeks and months, it's nothing happened. It's just stay here. But for me, I prefer downtrend. I prefer sell it because if you look at these two pairs, Aussie dollar and the Japanese yen, I think Aussie dollar is more weak. It's weaker than Japanese yen, and so um, I will sell here. Like we go to 4 hours. So from 4 hours, I think will come up a little bit to 79, and then I will try to sell it. Uh, this 2.79 and 78. So if they break up 79 and close up, then it probably going up a little bit more. But I prefer downtrend. I will just watch and wait. Wait for 79 or somewhere here. I will watch. I will watch here. Wait for price action and maybe sell from here. And also I will watch Aussie dollar. So if Aussie dollar starting coming down, I will also sell Aussie dollar AUDJPY because I think this pair is driven by Aussie dollar. So this is AUDJPY.